Surprise, motherfucker.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Hey, it's me, Joe. I don't know if you're gonna hear this, but yeah, I'm walking Teddy. I call this episode Dog with Man, because Teddy's walking me around. Anyway, I gotta do a few things. There's Teddy, look. Say hello, Teddy. Say hello, say hello, say hello. Oh man, he doesn't want to say hello. Anyway, here I am. I'm walking around. I'm in my neighborhood. I gotta do a few things. You know how it is. It's Groundhog's Day. That's all I can compare it with. Groundhog's Day.
Lick me! Lick me!
So, here I am in a police lineup with Teddy. No money playing. Anyway, I did what I had to do, but those people in there were nasty. They're telling me, you can't bring the dog in the store. And I said, where's the sign?
Hello, what do you want? I'm a pet. No, not allowed, I'm afraid.
You know, you got to post that on the door, on the front door, so, you know, alert people. So it's too late now, man. I bought everything I needed. Yeah, I just needed some Twizzlers, I think they're called, and laundry detergent. Twizzlers for my diabetes, because I get sugar fit every now and then, you know, when I'm running low. But anyway, here I am. I got to go in the 99-cent store. Yeah, it's a Chinese place. Yeah, they got good buys. Yeah, on paper towels and toilet paper, napkins, all that stuff. They got good buys on that, so I know where to go, you know, for all my stuff. So there you go.
Hey, so this next clip was sent to us by some emotionally disturbed person. I have to say, because it's a challenge, you know, ghost pepper challenge, and the fool did it. So all I can say, he's a fool. I wouldn't do it. Enjoy this.
What's going on, world? It's G the Voice here on my YouTube channel. I want to thank everybody for subscribing and watching, and I've been getting a lot of requests for chili pepper challenge or whatever this is. And anyway, red chili pepper here. This is crazy. Oh, wow. I can't. Oh! Oh!
Swallow it and drink milk. Yo, tell your dibs on my phone. Let's go. What did you say that? Okay, bye. What the hell? He ate the rest of it? Yeah. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah.
At this moment, G knew he fucked up. So fucking hot, man. Man, it's hot, man. It's fucking hot. More. Milk. Milk, please.
Yeah, I heard that helps. Ice cream? Yeah, ice cream helps. Let it sit in your mouth.
What kind is it?
Well, yeah, you're right. What kind it is? Oh my god! You could try it. Take the ice cream. Take the ice cream. See, did I show you this?
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Is it red?
Please. I'm not joking.
What does white container have to do with it? I don't know.
That was so dumb. Please. Oh.
I really thought my ring was coming today.
Yo. Dude, that was stupid. Please subscribe and share. And please.
And here's the walking unicorn. You see it here first, only at the Two Old Guys show. There you go, walking unicorn. Fabulous. Crazy.
Actually, that's my son. The Fool. G the Voice on YouTube. Check him out. Alright, guys. Gotta let you go. Because I got no more. You know, I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I'm cutting them down a lot. I'm getting more funnier. Because I think you guys are tired of us talking bullshit. But hey, it is what it is. So, with that, if you're expecting any more, we got none. Ciao for now.